Because a little $20 here, a little $50 there, a little $100 here, like that is extra money, and everybody needs some extra money.
This a K1.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm gonna give you 5 tips that's gonna help you make money on YouTube. That's right, I'm releasing the secret to you guys. I'm gonna put you on to the 5 ways that you guys can use and implement and start today to help you grow your channel, grow a fan base, and start bringing in some supplemental coin. You know, a lot of people think that you have to be super big on YouTube and have so many subscribers and so many views in order to make extra money, but you do not. You don't even have to be monetized to make money off of your YouTube channel, because this girl is not monetized and I make money sometimes, okay? I make some money. And I know everybody wants to know how to do this. Let's just get into the first tip. Alrighty, so I have the list on my handy dandy phone because I'm a scatterbrain when I do videos that are like this, and I will just yap and not get to the point. So the first thing is super cliche, but it is so important. Be your authentic self. Do not come on here trying to be the next Jackie Aina, trying to be the next Aaliyah J, because you want to know why? There's only one Aaliyah J and there's only one Jackie Aina, so you need to be the you. Nobody wants another version of that same person. So just be your true self, be authentic, and be genuine, and you'll be able to build a following that way. Because if you're on here faking the funk and like trying to be somebody else, nobody's gonna want to watch you, okay? So that's the first tip. Tip number 2 is to make videos that are searchable. This is like one of the biggest mistakes I think people make when they come on YouTube, is that they forget that like you don't have an audience yet. You literally don't have an audience. So how are you going to get people to watch you? You have to make videos that are searchable. So like coming right out the gate vlogging is probably not a good idea, because why would I want to watch a vlog, a daily life vlog, off of someone that I know nothing about? Like, I don't even know this person. Nobody else knows this person because they're new. So it's like, why would I click on that video? Like, why would I care? So say you're doing a fall fashion lookbook video. Sure, the video may be a collective fall fashion lookbook, but how are you going to get people to find it? Who's searching for that? Most people aren't going to be just randomly searching fall fashion lookbook into the search engine, you know, like they're not, no, people aren't searching that. That's not something that somebody would search. But if you title it fall fashion lookbook, how to style high-waisted jeans, that's searchable. That is one of the biggest tips, and it's going to bring a lot more traffic to your channel, which means more money. So the third tip is like actually money-making type situation, and this is going to be to become an Amazon affiliate. This was the smartest decision that I ever made, and it also really helped me gauge how influential I am, even though I'm a small channel. I leave the links to all of the products that I review in the description box of my videos, but I never get credit for any of those sales. If someone purchases something because I said so, I don't get any credit for it. But if you're an Amazon affiliate, you get your own unique links for anything on Amazon. Whatever you can buy on Amazon, you're able to make a link for it. And if someone makes a purchase using your link, you get a percentage. So that is one of the quickest ways to make money off of YouTube if you are not monetized. So my channel does not have ads on it, but I think I became an Amazon affiliate maybe 2 months ago, and I've already made over $20. I've made like maybe $25. I have literally like, I've made Amazon over $300 already, and that's like crazy, you know? I did a bag organizer review and I linked it with my Amazon affiliate link, and somebody bought like 4 in one day, and I got credit for all those purchases. Being an Amazon affiliate is really beneficial. I think my conversion rate is about 8%, which is higher than I thought it would be. So about 8% of the people who click my links actually buy something, and that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. get credit for those purchases, sis, okay? Get credit. All right, so what's the next tip? This is a great tip. A lot of people don't do this. The fourth tip is to organize your description box and make things easy to find and make it uniform. Have your description box be the same for every single video. Link your social media, link your business email, link everything, and have it in a way where people can easily go and grab information. Have that in the description box of every single video, no matter what, because if a brand or something wants to reach out to you to do a collaboration or a sponsorship or send you something for free, whatever the case may be, they need to know how to contact you. I find that people, when they first start out with YouTube, for some reason, they just think that they don't have to have a description box, like it'll just be blank. Make sure you have like a little blurb about the video, because that helps with your video popping up in like the search. Have all your social media, have your email, and also like how I have on my channel, I also include a frequently asked questions section. Just like questions that people will ask commonly, like where are you from, how old are you, what's your name, what do you use to edit, what camera you use. I just have that in my description box as well. And if they don't know how to contact you, how can they reach out to you so that they can help you make some money? And make sure you guys check your spam emails as well, because I got my first collaboration or sponsorship or whatever you want to call it, I got that through randomly checking through my junk mail. And a lot of times these companies are from overseas, so it may be flagged as spam when it comes to your email, but make sure you check your spam, because that's how I got my first paid deal, okay? It was in the junk mail, so check your junk mail. So my fifth tip for making money on YouTube is to make sure you make videos about things that people want to buy. Buy hair from a popular brand. Buy clothes from a popular company. Pick things to make videos on that are popular, because people will be searching for those items. Most of the time these days, people don't buy something unless they got recommended from someone first. So don't buy from the little old nobody heard about hair company. Buy from like Hair Vivi or one of those brands that have like 1 million followers on Instagram, because more traffic means more views, and more views means more money in the long run. Also make videos about the things that you want to get for free. So if you want to get free hair, you have to make hair videos. Like you can't make fashion videos and expect to get hair. Like if you're making fashion videos, you're gonna get clothes. It's all about getting people to click on your video, getting people to stumble across you, because you're trying to build an audience. You don't have a fan base yet, so you can't just make videos really just purely off of like creativity or the things that you enjoy as much, because you have to find ways to get people to want to watch you. So that may be doing something that's really popular, and that might be played out like a what's in my bag video, or like a iPhone review or something like that, like something that's super popular and that doesn't require that much creativity, but it's gonna get you some views. So do that, okay? So make videos about things that are recent, things that just came out, things that are new, things that are fresh. Because when things are new, when something is newly released, everybody wants to know if it's good or not. So that's automatically going to bring people to your channel and to get more people to watch you and hopefully subscribe. And the more people that watch and the more people that subscribe, the more companies that are going to reach out to you, okay? Like it all comes full circle. And I definitely think that you cannot come on YouTube with the sole purpose of wanting to make money, because it's not gonna work out too good for you, sis, okay? It's a long road. I've been on YouTube for years, and it took a while to get my first check. My first actual YouTube check was for like $115, and that was before they changed the rules for monetization. So that is everything that I think I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, okay? Because a little $20 here, a little $50 there, a little $100 here, like that is extra money, and everybody needs some extra money, even if it's just a little bit. So I hope these tips helped you guys out. If you have a channel, comment down below and let me know what type of videos you make, because I want to see what you guys are creating. Make sure you comment down below anything else that you guys want to know from me. If you have any questions about my channel and how I grew my channel or anything like that, or if you want to know more in depth, like how Amazon affiliate works, you can ask me more questions down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. I really want to help you guys out. I get so many questions about how to make money off of YouTube, and I kind of don't want to give people all the tools because I feel like people come into YouTube for the wrong reason. Like, you cannot be here for the money or you will be pissed, okay? Like, you will be over it real soon if you're on here for the money. So make sure you really enjoy putting out content, because if you don't, there's really no point. Like, stick to Instagram or something, because this ain't the platform for you, okay? It's not. And I think that's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna stop rambling, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.
This a K1.